Why, imported. Machine washable for easy cleaning. Accommodates most changing pads up to 16-inch x 32-inch and safety straps. Superior softness for baby. Summer Infant Ultra Plush Changing Pad Cover. Need a convenient way to keep your little one cozy during changing and to extend the life of your changing pad? The Ultra Plush Changing Pad Cover creates an attractive accent to any nursery while keeping baby warm and comfy. The secret to the Ultra Plush Changing Pad Cover is the Velboa fabric. Used frequently in baby blankets and plush dolls, Velboa fabric is extremely soft and comfortable. The material is colorfast and machine washable for easy cleaning, so you can keep your changing area clean and attractive. Elastic corners keep the cover snugly in place, and buckle strap holes provide access to safety straps on changing pads. This cover fits most standard changing pads, up to 16 by 32 inch. Extra soft for comfort. The extra soft Velboa fabric provides comfort and warmth for baby during changing. Waterproof changing pads can feel cold and harsh against baby's back, but the soft material of this cover will feel great on baby's skin. Snug fit. Elastic corners keep this cover snugly in place, and buckle strap holes provide access to safety straps on changing pads. This cover fits most standard changing pads, up to 16 by 32 inch. Machine washable. If an accidental mess occurs, simply remove the changing pad cover and toss it in the washing machine. The super soft Velboa fabric is stain resistant, so it always looks fresh and clean. Top reviews from the United States. I love this changing table cover. It's super soft and holds up well. I bought one when my son was first born that has been his changing table cover since he was born almost 2 years ago. I just bought a second because I love it and wanted two for when I wash the other one. Holds up super well after being washed a bunch of times. Still soft.